Start right now. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, the clock ticking, sunlight spilling through your window, and a sinking feeling hits you. Another day has passed, and you're still standing in the same spot. The dreams you've carried in your heart, the ones that keep you up at night, the ones you've whispered to yourself in quiet moments, are slipping further away. Not because you lack talent or time, but because you didn't start. Every hour you wait is an hour you're giving to regret. Time is a thief, and it's stealing your future right now. Don't let it. Don't let another year pass where you look back and think, if only I'd begun. This moment, this breath, is your chance to take it back. Start now, or risk losing the life you were meant to live. I know, it's hard. You've tried before, maybe even poured your heart into something and watched it crumble. Maybe you feel stuck, like you're running in place, unseen, weighed down by doubts or a life that feels too heavy. You're tired, aren't you? Tired of hoping, tired of waiting for the right time. But here's the truth. That heaviness, that fear, it's not a wall, it's a signal. It's your soul begging you to move, to break free, to step into the person you know you can be. You're not alone in feeling this way, but you can be the one who chooses to rise above it. It starts with knowing who you are. Not your job, not what your family expects, not the version of you that's been coasting through life. Who are you deep down? Are you the entrepreneur ready to build something meaningful? The parent who wants to show their kids what courage looks like? The artist with a story to tell? Picture it like a lighthouse cutting through a stormy night. That's your identity. It's the beacon that guides you when the world feels like a hurricane. Without it, you're just drifting. So take a moment right now and name it. Say it out loud. I am. Let that truth anchor you. Think of someone like J.K. Rowling. She wasn't always the queen of literature. She was a single mom, scraping by, battling depression, writing in cafes while her daughter slept. She could have stayed stuck, let the weight of life drown her dreams. But she knew who she was. A storyteller with something to say. That clarity pulled her through the darkness. You don't need to write a bestseller, but you need to know your own light. It's what keeps you moving when the storms hit. But knowing who you are is just the spark. You need a goal that sets your heart racing. Something that makes you want to leap out of bed. Not some safe small plan like pay off a credit card or organize the garage. Think bigger. What's the one thing that, if you pulled it off, would change everything? Starting a small business that solves a problem you care about? Running a 5K to prove to yourself you're stronger than you thought? Writing a blog that inspires just one person? Your goal should feel like a fire, exciting, a little scary, and impossible to ignore. Napoleon Hill said most people don't fail because they dream too big. They fail because they dream too small. If your goal doesn't make your stomach flutter, it's not big enough. And here's where it gets real. You have to act. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when you feel ready. Right now. Time is not your friend. It's a train speeding by, and every day you wait, it's pulling further from the station. Imagine looking back 5 years from now, realizing you could have been halfway to your dream if you'd just started. That sting of regret, it's worse than any failure. So burn your ships, like the old explorers who set their boats ablaze to commit to the journey. Cut the cords to your excuses. No fallback plans. No, I'll try again later. The only way is forward. Action doesn't mean you need to climb a mountain today. Start small, but start. Want to start a business? Jot down one idea tonight. Want to get healthy? Take a walk around the block right now. Want to learn a skill? Watch one tutorial before bed. Think of Sarah Blakely, who built Spanx from nothing. She didn't have an MBA or a trust fund. She had an idea in a notebook. She started scribbling, researching, knocking on doors. One step at a time, she turned a spark into $1 billion empire. You've got the same power. One step today, another tomorrow. That's how you outrun time. Discipline is what keeps you going. It's not about being perfect or punishing yourself. It's about choosing what matters over what's easy. I know you want to hit snooze. I know you'd rather scroll through your phone than do the work. We all feel that pull. But discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Set your alarm 10 minutes earlier. Turn off notifications for an hour. Read one page of a book that challenges you. These aren't just tasks. They're bricks building the life you want. Every time you choose discipline, you're choosing freedom from regret. Your mind needs discipline too. Those negative thoughts, I'm not good enough, I'm too old, I've failed before. They're like anchors dragging you down. Acknowledge them, feel them. Then let them go. Replace I can't with I'm learning. Swap I don't have time with I'll make time. Picture your mind like a river. You can let it flow with clear, powerful currents, or let it get clogged with doubt and fear. Feed it with books that spark ideas, conversations that lift you up, moments of gratitude for what you already have. Write down one thing you're thankful for today. It's like planting a seed for hope. Choose your crew wisely. The people around you are like mirrors. They reflect who you are and who you'll become. Surround yourself with complainers, and you'll sink into their negativity. But find people who hustle, who dream, who push you to be better. They're like wind in your sails. You don't need a big circle, just a real one. People who cheer when you win and nudge you when you slip. They're your lighthouse when the seas get rough. And don't forget gratitude. It's not about pretending life's perfect. It's about seeing the good, even when it's small. A warm cup of coffee, a kind word from a friend, the fact that you've got another day to try. These are fuel. Gratitude keeps you grounded when the world feels shaky. Time is slipping through your fingers. Every second you wait is a piece of your dream fading away. You can keep telling yourself, someday, but someday isn't on the calendar. It's not coming unless you make it happen. You're standing at a crossroads. On one side, the life you've always lived, safe but unfulfilled. On the other, the life you're meant for, waiting for you to claim it. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let doubt steal your shot. Run through the rain. Burn the ships. Start right now. One step, one choice, one moment. This is your time. Grab it and don't let go.